How to make app icons bigger on iPhone or iPad home screen. With iOS 18, you can change the color of app icons and widgets. Change the size of app icons to make them look bigger and place them anywhere you would like on the screen. Let's see how you can make app icons bigger on iPhone or iPad home screen. First, long press on the empty area of the home screen until the app icons start to wiggle. Now tap Edit in the top right corner of the screen. Now tap Customize. A menu opens up at the bottom of the screen. Tap Large option on the customization menu. Tap on the home screen again to save the changes. And now you have bigger app icons on the home screen. So that is how you can make app icons bigger on iPhone or iPad home screen. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.